how to fix or unlock your Snapchat account that has been locked for violating community guidelines. So let's get started. First thing first, open any web browser and search for Snapchat support. And once you search for it, tap on it. Now after you are inside, scroll down and tap on the My Account is Compromised option available there. Then inside My Account is Compromised, you will get to see a list of options available there. From there, choose My Account is Locked and tap on it. Once you tap on the My Account is Locked option available there, all you have to do is scroll down till the bottom after you tap on it. So here you go. Now scroll down till the bottom and here you'll get to see some boxes. You will have to fill out this information of yours Snapchat account, and after that all you have to do is describe your situation, that how you have been logged out from this Snapchat account and you want it back, and send it to the Snapchat support. They will get back to you as soon as possible.
So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.